It's a rainy day in Delhi and look at the beautiful park. Oh, looking charming. Beautiful. ना शानदार पार्क है. बारिश आ रही है बीच बीच में, so I have to change the tracks accordingly. But that's a very beautiful rainy day in Delhi, and I'm here with my routine morning walk. That's so necessary to keep your health on the check, or to keep yourself healthy. It's really necessary that you go for a walk or running or exercising, maybe in a gym, but I prefer walk or running or stretching a bit in the morning. And look at the beautiful park, just love it. Just before you start your work day in office, these things, they really soothe your mind, calm your mind, give you patience and a good health above all. Just look at the beautiful flowers. Look at the beautiful flowers. I'll show you more there. There is some sitting space as well in this park. These ones are the white flowers, very beautiful. Look at them, very beautiful. I plucked the one for you. And there we have aircrafts. Every minute there is an aircraft landing from here to the Indira Gandhi airport. I'll show you more when they come next. People exercising, open gym area is also there. That's a pretty good concept, I believe. Open gym area, free for all. It's to keep our population healthy. The government has come up with this concept of open gym in most of the parks, and it's proving to be really beneficial for people who do not want to afford gym, or who do not want to go to the gym, or people like me who prefer, taking morning walks, running, and then a little bit of gymming in parks only. Really nice. ये सामने देखो कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है, बहुत ही बड़ा एक हॉस्पिटल बन रहा है यहाँ पे. डेवलपमेंट. और बात करूँ डेवलपमेंट की, तो इस एरिया में एक और बहुत बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. बहुत बड़ा पार्क बन रहा है. वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा अभी क्या प्रोग्रेस है, क्या स्टेटस है. बट it would be, I think, the biggest and most beautiful parks in all over India. So वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा थोड़ी देर में. Just keep watching. तो वापस घर जाने का टाइम आ गया गाइस. ऑफिस भी स्टार्ट होने वाला है. काश मैं रिटायर्ड होता तो थोड़ा और टाइम स्पेंड करता इस पार्क में. There is my job, my thought. चलो अब चलते हैं, आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा डेवलपमेंट इस एरिया का भारत वंदना पार्क.
Jamming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my God.
और इन हैवी रेन्स के बीच में चलती है अपनी थार, जस्ट लाइक अ सुपरस्टार, चीता, शेर, कुछ भी बोलो, मजा है भाई बारिश में चलाने का. जय हिंद.